Our country is amongst the top 10 nations in the world which are most affected by climate change.
87,000 tons of waste is dumped daily in landfills by major cities of Pakistan at a growth rate of 2.4%. This will go to 100,000 tons per day by 2024. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sana Numan and I'm the founder of Resource. I'm also a certified zero waste professional, and this is how we will reduce waste. First, we analyze downstream waste and categorize it according to commodity type so that we may understand the type of waste generated. We then quantify each category to set a baseline for waste reduction. We observe closely to identify sources of waste generation and prepare comprehensive waste analysis reports with detailed projections for potential waste reduction. We provide customized sorting bins for waste sorting at source. We train employees and upper management on waste sorting at source to raise awareness amongst masses and avoid contamination caused by mixing different types of waste, so that more materials can be recycled and diverted from landfills. From source segregated waste, we turn organics into compost, and we teach you how to do it. We also tell you how to utilize this on site. Compost prepared from waste organics can be used for ground operations or for food production on site. We target upstream waste. Instead of sending it for recycling or dumping in landfill, we go beyond and develop systems to reuse it. We work closely with vendors and upper management to find innovative solutions for further waste reductions. We also draft environmental policies for companies and help them set achievable reduction goals. Our aim is to ensure sustainable operations before we exit. We follow up quarterly and conduct annual waste audits for further reduction. All our strategies and framework are in compliance with True Zero Waste Rating System USA. For every ton of waste diverted from landfill, you reduce 2.93 metric tons of carbon from the environment. While reducing carbon, we help organizations save money. How do we help them save money? The average waste disposal cost to companies is 5,000 to 500,000 rupees per month. By reducing waste by 50%, companies can save from 2,500 to 250,000 rupees per month. Similarly, an average employee uses 10,000 sheets of paper costing 11,000 rupees. By cutting 50% of paper use, companies can save 5,000 rupees per month per employee. These are just some of the examples I have explained here. We have 60 plus strategies for cost saving and waste reduction. Our initial target market is Lahore, where our TAM is $5.4 million, SAM is $2.17 million, and SOM is $542,000. By selling sorting bins and consultancy charges for waste reduction activities, we have a projected revenue of $83,000 in the first year, growing at 19% in the second year, and a constant growth of 14% in the next 3 years, bringing in to $148,000. We are requesting an investment of $32,000 for an equity of 20%. This will be used to set up our operations for human resource and for our operations for 12 months. The return on investment is $2,600 and a huge impact on the waste problem of Pakistan. Thank you.